Well, here's a set of elevators I haven't ridden since 2014. That's right, this is the Wabash landing garage in West Lafayette. We have some cool KONEs here. They're Scenic also. Let's go down to one. Here we go up to 7. There goes the counterweight. Cab view. These things are in okay shape. That floor definitely needs to be replaced. These are some very cool KONEs. I have not ridden these in quite a while. 2,500 pounds, Series 220. Definitely another ride. Here we go. That's cool seeing the counterweight pass. You can kind of see Purdue's campus out there. These are fun. You know what, let's do one more ride. My camera does not like that indicator, of course. Very fast. Well, these haven't changed one bit. I still really like these. Even if it's been 10 years, these things are still holding up. And here we are at 1. And that's it.